Welcome back, Hotelier. Chapter 6, Part 23. Vietnamese Noodle Soup. Vietnamese noodle soup that will make for a nice light meal. Prepare time: 15 minutes. Cook time: 45 minutes. Servings: 6. Ingredients. Bouillon ingredients: 4 whole cloves, 5-star anise, 3-inch piece of fresh ginger halved lengthwise, 1 large white onion, peeled and halved, 2 cardamom pods, 3 cinnamon sticks, 1 tablespoon whole coriander seeds, 8 cups vegetable stock, 2 teaspoons of soy gravy, 1 tablespoon of brown sugar, 2 teaspoons rice vinegar, sea salt to taste. Soup ingredients: 1 tablespoon of olive oil, 7 ounces unprepared thin rice noodles, 2 heads baby bok choy, halved, 2 cups extra veggies such as snow peas, sliced carrots, broccoli florets, 8 ounces shiitake mushrooms, thinly sliced. Garnish with fresh herbs such as Thai basil, mint, cilantro, along with lime wedges, bean sprouts, thinly sliced green onions and hoisin sauce. Directions: 1. Char your onions and ginger on a baking sheet about 8 inches away from the heating elements. Set broiler to high. Brush some oil on your onion and ginger, then broil for about 10 minutes, or until the tops are charred. Remove from oven and set aside. 2. Prepare the noodles al dente in boiling salted water according to package instructions, while the bouillon simmers. Drain noodles, rinse them with cold water, then toss them with a bit of sesame oil. 3. Make your broth in a large stock pot. Add the cloves, anise, cinnamon, cardamom and coriander over high heat for 3 minutes, or until it is fragrant. Add to charred onion, ginger and stock, and stir to combine. Continue to cook over simmer. Once it has reached a simmer, then turn down the heat to low setting, then simmer for another 30 minutes. Strain out the onions, spices and ginger. Stir in the brown sugar, rice vinegar and soy gravy. Cover and continue to simmer until ready to serve. 4. Cook your veggies in a pan. Sauté them over high heat with some oil for about 5 minutes, or until golden brown. Remove from the heat. Add to the hot soup 5 minutes before you are going to serve the soup. 5. Add a handful of noodles to every serving bowl, then ladle hot bouillon over the noodles. Top each bowl with lots of garnishes and finish with a squeeze of lime juice, then serve and enjoy. Thank you. If you enjoy watching my Vietnamese noodle soup recipe video, then do like and subscribe my channel. Also do not forget to turn on the notification bell.